tutorial will help you to restart your iPhone stuck in guided mode. In this case, I can't restart the iPhone XR because the buttons, hardware buttons, are unavailable by guided mode. I used the guided mode when my daughter went to play or watch YouTube Kids, and today the iPhone is stuck on Lego Kids, this app. The procedure is easy and really work. I will show you how to exit from the stuck from a command line. This tutorial is only applied to a Mac OS because it's the system I use it now to show to you. Then you need first to start a terminal. You can find here and type terminal here to start a new window from terminal. This will show to you this window from terminal. In my case, the stuck occurs when I started the Lingo Kids, and when I tap the guided access. This is in Portuguese, but in your language you will see an guided access, and no keyboard to type the password to exit from guided access. Then you need to install some tools, some software to unlock your phone. This procedure will restart your phone easily. Check this out. First, you need to install the brew. This is a package manager for Mac OS. You can search the brew. If you don't have the brew yet, you can find the way to install in this website, brew.sh. And to install the brew, you need to copy this command, Ctrl C, and go to the terminal and do the command V, command C, command V to install. I already have this brew installed. This take a while, and you need to wait to the finish to the next step. In the next step, after you install the brew, you need to install a package named idevicediagnostics. idevicediagnostics on the terminal. You need to type this command: brew install libimobiledevice. This is the package that will allow you to restart your iPhone from command line from the terminal. I already have this package installed on my MacBook. Then I will go to the next step I will use the command to restart. This install of libimobiledevice already this take a while. Then you need to wait, please. Take 1-2 minutes to to finish. After this package is installed, you need to type this command: idevicediagnostics restart. This is the command who will restart your iPhone from command line. All these commands will be on the video description. To easily you can copy and paste in your terminal. Then look here. I will press the return or enter here, and you will see the iPhone restarted. Check this out. They have a restarting device. The screen is appears on here, but the iPhone already has started. This is the way to restart your stuck iPhone when you try to exit from guided access and no keyboard from type the passcode, and the Face ID doesn't work to unlock your phone. You can see it here, my iPhone is restarted. Here we go. I will type the code to unlock the screen. Here we go. The restart is fast and no guided access here. I hope this helped you if you stuck your phone in guided access. Thank you for watching.